Hi, this video tutorial I will cover life cycle of a thread. When new thread is created, the thread will be in new state. And when start method is called on the thread will go from new state to ready to run state. Ready to run state is also called runnable state. The scheduler will pick up the thread which is in ready to run state and it will run the thread. So thread will go from ready to run state to running state. And when yield method is called on thread which is in running state, then the thread will go from running state to ready to run state. When sleep method is called on the thread which is in running state, the thread will go from running state to sleeping state. Once sleeping time is over, then the thread will go from sleeping state to ready to run state. From running state, the thread can go to blocking state if block on IO or locked monitor happen. From blocking state, the thread can go to ready to run state if lock occurred or IO completed happened. When wait method is called on the thread which is in running state, then the thread will go from running state to waiting state. When notify or notify all method is called on the thread which is in waiting state, then the thread will go from waiting state to ready to run state. When run method completes or exit, then the thread will go from running state to dead state. The newly created thread will be in new state. We must call the start method in order to schedule the thread to begin running. When the thread's run method is called, the thread goes into running state. The thread run method will be called by the scheduler. Once thread is running, the thread may go back to ready to run state when one of the following things occurs. The first one is the thread is blocking on some IO. The second one is thread sleep method is called, and the third one is the allotted time slice ends, and the fourth one is threads yield method is called, and the fifth one is objects wait method is called. A running thread will go into waiting state when wait method is called. This mechanism is used as a communication means between threads in order to avoid polling. When notify or notify all method is called on waiting thread, then the thread will go from waiting state to ready to run state. A running thread will go into sleeping state when thread sleep method is called. The thread goes back to ready to run state after the specified time has elapsed or if interrupted. A running thread enters a blocking state when it requests some type of IO and it is waiting for IO to complete or become available. The thread goes back to ready to run state when the IO becomes available. A running thread enters into dead state when run method completes or exit. And this is about life cycle of a thread, and thanks for watching.